Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing 7 different ways that essential oils can change your daily life. When I was planning content for the new year, and planning all of my videos and things, I looked back on all the videos that I've done, and I think that I just want to start back at the basics and create some more videos that are for beginners in essential oils. I think those are the majority of people that are coming to watch my videos. So let me know if you think that's a good idea or if you want me to do more deep dives, because I love doing that too, but I just want to best serve you guys and make sure that I'm creating the videos that you guys want. So let me know in the comments, but without further ado, let's talk about 7 ways to use essential oils in your daily life that are going to change your life. One is aromatherapy, and that is kind of the whole, encapsulate this whole thing. Aromatherapy is what is the umbrella over it all, and that is the scent and how it affects your mood, how it works with your limbic system, how essential oils work with your body to help boost your mood. And so there is tons of research and evidence and studies done on this and how essential oils go in and work with your limbic system, and that's like your memory and your mood and all those things. And so I think that's really cool, and that is probably the #1 reason that we use essential oils. The top essential oils that I like to use for aromatherapy purposes are lavender, ylang ylang, and chamomile. Those are all super calming yet uplifting oils. Lavender is probably the very first essential oil I ever used, I don't know, 10 years ago. And ylang ylang is more of a fancier oil, not one that you're going to probably use right away. But then chamomile, that is good for calming and all kinds of things. Natural sleep is #2 on the list, and this can be done in a lot of different ways. You can use a roll on your wrists, on the bottom of your feet. Your feet have the largest pores, therefore the oils enter your bloodstream faster and quicker and work better. Supposedly, I do think that's true. I have my sleep roller by my nightstand. I have rue de Vela, I think that's what it's called. It's a blend of rue, valerian, and lavender. And so those are the 3 main ones, along with cedarwood, that will really help promote a better sleep. Super relaxing. So you can use a roller, like I said, or you can use those oils in a diffuser, which is another really great option. I like diffusing for an hour before bed. I don't usually diffuse just all through the night anymore. It's your preference. Look into it and see what you want to do. But especially for the girls, I have a really small diffuser, and I think it runs for 2 or 3 hours. And so I set it on before bedtime so that they're entering a relaxing environment, and then it just runs for a little while. But look into that and see what would benefit you. I am getting a couple of new diffusers soon, which I'll share, that are waterless, and I have not used one of those yet, so I'm really excited, and I will of course share here when I do. But diffusing, putting on topically, and then just inhaling. So if you want to just have a bottle by your nightstand, just take a few deep inhales, just whiffs of the bottle, literally. That will really help in promoting a better sleep as well. Skincare is #3, and this is one of my favorite ways to use essential oils. I have probably multiple videos on this. I'll try to link them in the description. But blue tansy is my personal favorite essential oil for skincare, but there are so many for so many different skin types and concerns with different benefits. So I encourage you to look at one of my blog posts or videos around all of those, but it is very, very prominent in the skincare industry. A lot of fancy skincare serums and moisturizers have blue tansy. It just has a lot of good anti-aging and moisturizing benefits, plus it smells amazing. Blue tansy, if you watch my videos, is my favorite essential oil for so many reasons. But lavender is great. Tea tree is really good for acne prone skin. So there are so many different ways to use essential oils. Frankincense is the king of essential oils, and it's really great for aging skin. So there are so many ways you can incorporate essential oils. Now, with that being said, I do recommend dilution always, just #1, to save money. It's not necessary to use an essential oil neat, but also for safety, you don't want to put undiluted essential oils on sensitive skin, especially just putting them straight on your face. You want to make sure you dilute essential oils in skincare. Hair care is #4, and this is also one that I'm excited about. Rosemary is the essential oil. Do your research, pubmed.gov. Did I say that right? I'll put it below. It's where you can do lots of research on different essential oils and specific ones, but rosemary is the one that will help promote healthier hair. Longer, stronger, shinier, all the things. And hair growth is #1. I feel like that's the thing that people are most interested in and most Google searching. So put some rosemary, dilute. I have a recipe. I will try to find it and link it below. But it's basically just a splash of witch hazel in a bottle, I think 4-ounce bottle, spray bottle, a splash of witch hazel, like 10 drops rosemary, and then fill it with water. You can put anything else that you want in it too, to help your hair, argan oil, I don't know, things like that if you need extra support. But it's called mermaid spray also. If you just search that on Pinterest, I'm sure a lot of those will pop up for recipes. Boosting energy is number 5 on the list, and this is another one, again, that we use so much. This is one I used to use the fume so much. I don't use it as much anymore. I just don't have it placed where I'm going to pick it up and use it. And also they're catered towards just helping people stop smoking, so they don't have the products that they previously had. Anyways, I used to just put the peppermint or eucalyptus essential oils in my fume and just breathe that in, and that's how I would use essential oils to boost my energy. But you can also just roll it on, that works as well. Roll it on your wrist, take a few deep breaths. You can just smell it directly out of the bottle like I talked about before, or diffuse. So put a couple of drops of peppermint in your diffuser by your workout station, or there's personal diffusers that are like this big that you can bring to the gym with you. That's another option too. But boosting energy is something that eucalyptus, peppermint, all of those like invigorating oils are really great at. Number 6 is natural cleaning, and this is obviously something that is done daily here. So I use essential oils in my natural cleaning sprays. I use Thieves, which is the like immune boosting oil by Young Living. They make a cleaner out of it as well. I am like phasing out of using Young Living though, so Rocky Mountain Oils also has that. Plant Therapy has cleaners with essential oils. Oils are really great with helping boost your cleaning power. Lemon, especially citrusy oils like orange, lime, bergamot, are going to help with degreasing. But like pine essential oil smells so good, like pine sol, that's where they get the scent. They just make it in a chemical form, or in a like non-natural form. But anyways, it can be for boosting your cleaning power and just for scent. I also love starting a diffuser right before I clean. It just kind of boosts my mood and energy while I'm cleaning. It just gets me like going. Okay, and digestive aid is number 7 on the list. This is something that we all have used, everyone in our family, and this isn't daily, thank goodness. Digestive support is something that you'll occasionally need, no matter how healthy and whatever you are. Ginger, peppermint, fennel, those are like the main essential oils for helping digestion. If you are into ingesting essential oils, grapefruit is really good to kind of just help you stay clear and clean, along with lemon. But there are a few different ways to use essential oils for digestion, and some are controversial. Do your research on ingesting oils. We do occasionally, in very small amounts and diluted with coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil in little capsules. So that is one way, and I just got my empty veggie capsules, I think from Young Living, but they sell them on Amazon too. They just are, you break it in half, put a couple drops of essential oil, dilute it, and then take it by mouth. You can also just make a roller. And so these are things, we have tons of tummy rollers, one in the car, all of the bathrooms, they're everywhere because they help instantly 100% of the time for us. And I think spearmint, ginger, and maybe a citrus oil are the main ingredients in our tummy rollers. I will put that below or here on the screen for you as well. But the girls use the tummy rollers constantly. We get nervous tummies a lot around here. It helps with that, helps with diarrhea, constipation, any kind of digestive issue. I first started using essential oils, I was lucky enough to witness a really cool testimony of a baby having acid reflux and using, it was Young Living specific, their tummy roller, Tummy Jize, I believe it's called, for acid reflux, and I just was like blown away. It's amazing. So definitely try it if you have any kind of digestive issue. Okay, so that is it. I wanted to kind of speed through this, not make it too long. Let me know what questions you have, or if you use essential oils daily for something else that I missed, let's start a conversation below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you want me to film next.